Let's get started on how to use CrowdBuzzer. For the teacher, you'll go to this address, ccg.buzz/host, and you'll enter a game. So we'll call this review. And I'll click begin. Then with my students, I'll ask them to go to this web address, ccg.buzz, and they'll enter the game code that you see on the left-hand side. Enter player name, team name. Once you've entered your team name, you'll enter. And so you'll ask students to join. Once they've all joined, you're going to turn the buzzers off. At this point, you'll turn your buzzer back on and you're ready to ask your question of the class. You can have the question displayed on the board, or you can just ask it verbally. Who is the principal of East High School? When they know the answer, and then you can see who buzzed in first and call on that team. So when you've answered that question, you can keep score. So you'll turn the buzzers off, turn the buzzers back on. Who is the assistant principal at East Rutherford High School? So people are going to buzz in. And so you'll be able to now know who to ask. So Maria, who is the assistant principal of East Rutherford High School, and you can keep score. I hope you enjoy using CrowdBuzzer.